right, folks, coming up next, pulling in at the Oakland London Square Station. This is Amtrak 717, making the final stop here at the Oakland London Square Station. Sorry about the sun glare. Oh, it's going on track 1. 2010 F59 PHI. They would clean the lens. There we go. 717 has 2010 leads off of this one. No, 2004. 2004 leads off of this one. It is a venture car set. NPCU, I think it's 90278. So we'll be right back after these commercial break on this venture car set. And the F59 PHI still doesn't look good on these venture car sets. So yeah. All right, folks, we are back. This is the out of service 717 going back to NPCU 90218 leads off of the venture car set. And tagging in the back is an F59 PHI 2004. You gotta love the sound of that NPCU F40. Beautiful horn sound. That's 2004 F59 PHI. All right, folks, that train is off to the Amtrak yard. We'll be returning back at 7:12 tomorrow morning. 7:12. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, man. Listen to that sound of that beautiful horn sound of the NPCU 90218. That's a beautiful horn sound. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.